Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another weekend with Reigncane. I am Brian, host of the show, co-founder of Reigncane, and today we are making ourselves a mojito with late harvest, which I've done, but I realized I hadn't done in the cocktail video, so we're doing it. Also, big news, Reignacane's newest item is here, our newest free gift, but you can also buy it, of course. Free gift with 4 bottles or more. Let's go ahead and take one out of the box. What is it? It is a 4-inch paring knife made of stainless steel. Comes in a nice box. Look at this. See if we can get an image of that. It's up on our website right now. And ladies and gentlemen, it is beautiful. And it is insanely sharp. This is the knife that I reach for anytime up until this past week. I only had 2, they were samples, but every time they were clean, this was the knife that I was reaching for. Now we have a lot, so go ahead and get yourself one. They are really, really nice, and I can't recommend these enough for cutting up your fruit, but also I use it for everything. I've been using it for steak. It slices through it so easily because it's so sharp. So go pick one up, and yes, they're very, very sharp. Let's go ahead and make a drink. Making a mojito. Man, I haven't made a mojito in a long time. All right, we're taking our lime, we're slicing it with our Reigncane paring knife. Can we get a replay of that? It was so smooth. Okay. you know those ads on you see on Instagram and Facebook for a knife company, and they're cutting like a frozen grape and stuff like that to make it appear like the knife is really sharp. I'm sure those knives are sharp, but you know, we're a spirits company, so I'm not going to go overboard on the knife. They're really nice. They're a free gift, 4 bottles or more, like I said, and that is for late harvest and for our original Reigncane. Cinnamon is not included in that. Our cinnamon bottles are not included in the free gifts because we're going to sell out of those pretty quickly here. So that is the reason for that. Next thing we're doing is throwing in some mint leaves into the bottom of our shaker. We want to muddle these with the lime juice. It already smells like a mojito over here, the mint and lime. Now we're going to toss in 2 ounces of Reigncane late harvest, and I'm not adding sugar to this mojito, which a mojito typically calls for, because late harvest is already sweet from that raw organic sugarcane stick inside each bottle. And for those of you that have been leaving comments about Reigncane late harvest, saying that they bought a bottle of Reigncane and it didn't show up with a sugarcane stick, that's because you bought original, and you bought it in the past. This is new, so if you see an ad for this and it says it has a sugarcane stick in it, that's for late harvest. There's a difference. All right, now there's our mojito. Let's add some ice. Let's shake it up. Let's get our glass. Get our strainer. Actually, sorry, mojitos, you don't even need to do that. You can do that. You can strain it out. You don't need to. You can just pour it right into your glass. Top it off with a little bit of ice. Bunch of mint. Slap it. Release some of the, break up some of the capillaries in the leaves. Release some of that aroma. And then a mojito really isn't complete without a sugarcane stick going in there. So we'll go ahead and toss one of those into our mojito as well, which is such a nice garnish. I already know it's going to be delicious. But cheers. Hope you guys enjoy your weekend with Reigncane. It's been a long time since I had a mojito. That makes the cocktail so much better. Having that sugarcane stick. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all I got for this weekend. Knives are here. Late harvest is here. Cinnamon's here. Cinnamon's gonna sell out. Go ahead and stock up. You know you like it. You've already ordered it. If you haven't ordered it yet, what are you waiting for? You gotta get the cinnamon. It's so damn good. All right. I will see you guys next weekend, and I hope you guys have a great weekend. Cheers. Thank you for your support and for sharing Reigncane with everybody you know. I will see you later. I forgot to add the club soda. This is embarrassing. Club soda goes on top of a mojito. Bring it to life. Put some bubbles in your life. How could I forget? How could I forget? One more sip. There you go.